In front of me is REALME C55, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing on this device. First of all, you need to access your device's keyboard. If microphone icon is not visible at the top right corner of it, select this gear one, tap on voice typing, and click on this gray sweater next to use voice typing to enable it. Then go back to your keyboard. To start typing, click on the microphone icon and start talking. When you're ready, tap on the same one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!